Hello everyone and welcome back to Sylvanian Oscar's channel. Today we will be unboxing the Sylvanian Families Ice Cream van. So here we can see the actual van itself. I love its pink color as well as its other accessories that are the ice creams, and we've got the scoop as well, and we've got the van itself. And it can be played with other sets in the amusement park series with the popcorn delivery truck, the royal carriage set, etc. And if you look at the back, you can see that it's got a variety of different ice creams, and we've also got White Rabbit Mother here selling the ice creams. So let's start opening the box and see what we've got inside. We've got the instructions manual that tells us how we can assemble the carriage, and we've also got this where we will have to take off the bottom of the van to release it. There we go, we've got the van itself, and we've also got the accessories. There doesn't seem to be a place to put the cones, so I've just kind of put them to one side because it only has place for the actual scoops of ice cream. Okay, so let's put its owner in the van. So I've decided to let the penguin family be the owner of this van, as they themselves already have a set of ice cream stuff that they can sell. So they can be here, and then they can actually take this out so that it can act as like a place for the customers to sit, and they can be here taking a scoop to scoop the ice cream for the customers, and we can have polar bear baby here eating some ice cream. Look how cute that is. So look at the van itself, it's already got its license plate on it, so you don't need to stick any stickers. And the van itself is also super cute, with the steering wheel being the shape of a rabbit. Super cute. Also the front as well, it says Happy Ice, probably. Okay, and then we can also have the hot dog van, which goes very well with it, so it could be part of the amusement park stalls. Look how cute that is. You can have Squirrel Father here serving the hot dogs. Look how lovely.